Today we're going to be comparing these two mattress vacuums. Over here we have the Jimmy BX5 Pro, then over here UWANT sent me out their M700. In this video we're going to do a full comparison, we're going to look at all the different features. We're also going to do a bunch of vacuuming tests on this bed, maybe a sofa, and then show you guys how the cleaning process works on both of them. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a closer look at each of these. So up first we're going to take a look at the UWANT M700. Of course both of these are corded and come with very long cords, but the M700 comes with the dual tank design, so it'll keep all the fine particles in a separate bin and then the larger debris in the other bin. Some other cool features include aromatherapy, so we could put our essential oils right in there, and it even came with some of its own essential oils. And on the bottom here we have a bunch of warming lights that will actually help get rid of the dust mites and UV lights as well. We have a metal beater bar, which is definitely different than most of the other ones out there, and basically what that does is it shakes and vibrates the bed to get all of that debris up and out. Another cool thing about this mattress vacuum is that it actually has a heating system. So from my understanding, it actually blows some air through around here to help heat everything up. And once again, the heat's just gonna help with the dust mites. It also does come with a screen up here, and the screen will actually change as it detects dust mites. So just for example, you can see that number changing as I go. And I guess this mattress isn't super dirty, so that's a good thing. All right, now let's take a look at the Jimmy BX5. Starting off with the storage bin, it's a little bit more simple, just a one tank design, but it does have a nice filter in there. On the bottom here, you guys will see the UV lights, and this one has a plastic brush roller slash beater, so it's not quite as strong as the one on the UWANT, but it doesn't offer any heating, and it also doesn't have any aromatherapy. This one doesn't have a screen, but we do have a little light indicator right there, so it shows us what mode it's on and if the UV lights are working. So to change the modes, you're going to press this button right here. That's going to be soft, strong, and then back to soft. When you guys compare these two side by side, the UWANT is actually a little bit smaller, and we have a nicer handle here that conforms to your hand. The Jimmy is going to be a little bit wider, but it's also longer, and we have a more basic design over here. So real fast, let's talk stats. So the Jimmy over here is a 500 watt machine and has 15 kPa for the suction power. Then over here with the UWANT, we actually have a 700 watt motor, and this one has 20 kPa for the suction power. We will also do a sound test between the two, and we'll figure out which one's going to be louder and quieter. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do a quick little test here on the bed, and then we'll do something on our sofa and see just how well these do. So for this test, we're going to clean the right side of my bed with the Jimmy and then the left side over here with the UWANT. We're going to try to do it at the same time, but I'm not sure how that's going to go. Either way, I'll try to speed up this footage to make it a little easier for you to watch. We just finished up, and now we're going to go ahead and inspect the dustbins to see which one cleared the most debris out. So let's go ahead and remove both of them. So once again, this is the UWANT side, and it does appear that we actually have a little bit more debris in here. You guys could see the big pile of dust right there. And then on the Jimmy, we have a smaller amount. All right, so for this test, we're gonna clean the right side of my couch with the UWANT and the left side with the Jimmy. I will speed this up as well. And for now, I'm just gonna clean the bottom cushions and then once again, show you how much debris we collected. So let's go ahead and take a look at these dustbins to see if we notice any differences. And I did empty these dustbins before we did this next test. So when comparing the two, they're not quite as different as the bed test, but I still do see a little bit more dust and debris in the right side over here on the UWANT. I did notice while I was vacuuming that the metal beater does seem to do a better job at shaking debris out of the couch or bed, so I believe that's why the UWANT did a little bit better on this test. So for this test, we're gonna be cleaning up a bunch of baby powder that I put down on my carpet. We're gonna do the UWANT on this side and the Jimmy over here. I'm gonna do the exact same amount of passes per unit so that we could get a fair comparison here, and I did already go and empty the dustbins. All right, so we did 3 passes. I'm counting 1 pass as going there and back, and we cleaned up almost everything right here. I'll show you a closer look whenever we're done with the UWANT. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and inspect the carpet to see if we notice any differences. You could definitely see a little bit of baby powder down here in the more shallow area of the carpet. And on the UWANT, it does look like it did suck up just a little bit more in this lower area, but there still is a little bit more debris. So I would need to do a couple more passes on both of these machines to get it fully clean. But overall, the carpet looks a lot nicer and smells fresh. And just like all our other tests, here are the dust bins. We have a decent amount of hair, I guess, for my pets. And then this side has a little bit more fine powder, I feel like, than the Jimmy. But overall, they both did a pretty good job on this test. For our next test, we're actually gonna see the difference of temperature between the two. Since the Jimmy doesn't have a heater, it really shouldn't change the temperature of the fabric, but I'm mostly doing this to show you how the UWANT will heat up the fabric and get rid of the dust mites that way. All right, so when I point the thermometer there, it is at 84.6 degrees at max. And then the left side that we haven't touched yet is only at 75. So just in that short amount of time, it did heat up the couch. And we did the same amount of passes on the Jimmy, and it is only 76 degrees. So that's a cool demonstration because you could see how the UWANT actually heats up the fabric it's cleaning. So for our next test, we're gonna see which vacuum is louder. So I'm gonna keep them both right there. I'm gonna turn on the Jimmy first. And we did do that on the strong mode on the Jimmy, and we got to right around 68 decibels. Let's go ahead and try the UWANT. The UWANT is gonna be a little louder. It was right around 72 decibels, but that's to be expected since it does have a larger motor. So next up, let's talk about cleaning and maintenance of these vacuums. So first off, we have the Jimmy here. So the first thing I would recommend doing is just emptying the dustbin. Then I have a little wipe here to just go ahead and clean off all of the excess baby powder from this really messy cleaning. From here, you would inspect the HEPA filter and just make sure it's not clogged. If it is, they recommend replacing it. But this entire piece right here should be rinsable, as well as the bin. This part also comes off, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in there. And then lastly, this piece comes out, and so we could rinse the rest. But from my knowledge, I don't think that these are rinsable. All right, so with these parts, I'm just gonna quickly give them a rinse and then set them on a towel to dry. It's very important not to use this vacuum until everything is dry. So maybe wait about 24 hours before you use it again, or at least overnight, and double check it. All right, so they're all over here drying. Let's go ahead and do the last step for the Jimmy. So the last step's gonna be dealing with the brush roller. I don't really notice any hair tangles, but I wanna show you guys how to remove this just in case you guys do see some tangles. They make it very straightforward. You just pop it out just like so, and you can see the brush roller. I'm gonna go ahead and take my wipe that we had before and just clean the inside and everything down here as well. But that's how you guys maintain your Jimmy. Let's go ahead and move over to the UWANT. So the first step for the UWANT is gonna be the same as the Jimmy. We're gonna empty out the dustbin. Then from there, we're gonna go ahead and take apart this filter. So we have a little foam filter inside of here that we could take out and the plastic housing. So all of this can actually get rinsed off. So let's go ahead and rinse them off and get them drying while we do the rest of the maintenance. Once again, just a quick rinse is good. And we'll squeeze this one till we don't see any more debris coming out. Looks pretty good. This filter isn't too dirty either, but we'll give it a rinse just in case. And the most important part, the actual dustbin. All right, so now I'm just gonna let all of these dry, technically overnight, before I use it again. For the last step, we're just gonna undo this little cover here. We're gonna get to the brush roller and pull it out. To me, it doesn't look too dirty. I don't see any hair tangles. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take our wipe to the inside of here and just clean it up. Get all that baby powder out of there. And while we're here, we'll just go ahead and clean up the rest of the machine as well. Especially these lights. We don't want those getting blocked by any dust and debris. Quickly wipe this off since it wasn't super dirty. And it looks like we're basically all good to go. So we're just gonna slap this back in there. So from there, we're just gonna wait for the other components to dry, and then we're all ready to go ahead and use this machine again. So overall, both of these machines did pretty good during our testing today, but I did come up with a pro and con list of each of them. I try to make it as fair as possible, but let's go ahead and start over here with the UWANT. We get a lot of other features that are not offered on the Jimmy over here, such as having heat. We get aromatherapy. We actually have a screen up here that measures the dust. It has a metal beater down here. And this is way easier to clean up because all the parts up here are washable. Obviously, we did notice that this machine was more powerful as well, so that would be another pro, and overall just seemed to perform a little bit better than the Jimmy over here. Now let's talk about a couple cons, and there aren't too many with the UWANT. Con number one is going to be that it is a little smaller, so you're going to need to take a few more passes whenever you're cleaning your bed, but honestly that's not a big deal at all to me because it does work more efficiently to begin with. Another con would be that it's technically louder than the Jimmy over here, but I think that's actually a good thing because you're getting a more powerful motor. Overall, a really nice machine. Let's talk about the Jimmy over here. So when it comes to pros, obviously the size is going to be a little better. You're going to be able to clean more at a time. My second pro is just that it's a tiny bit quieter. All right, so when it comes to cons on the Jimmy over here, so our dustbin up here is just a single stage system, whereas the UWANT over here has two housing compartments basically for the debris, the fine, and the thicker stuff. One of my biggest cons on the Jimmy, and this isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but I definitely noticed this during the testing, is that taking the dustbin out and emptying it is a bit more time consuming than the UWANT over here. It's just a lot more simple. Obviously, another con is going to be the fact that we don't get washable filters on this one. The metal filter does appear to be washable, but the other HEPA filter in here does not seem to be washable. Another con is we don't have a screen on here that's showing us how dusty it is. There's no indicator telling you that, hey, you're sucking up a lot of dust right now, let's kick up the mode. Versus over here on the UWANT, it will automatically detect all the debris. Now, with all that being said, these are both great machines. They're both gonna get the job done no matter what, but if I had to choose a preference for my personal case, I would definitely choose the UWANT just because it has a bunch of other features that the Jimmy one does not offer. So let's talk about some scenarios on why you guys might wanna pick one over the other. If you guys are looking for something that's more compact and powerful and also easier to clean, I would suggest going with the UWANT, especially if you guys are interested in all the other features it has like aromatherapy and heat. If you guys just need a simple mattress cleaner, this one's also pretty good. It still does have the UV light and it's still a powerful motor and it'll definitely get the job done. This was actually my first mattress cleaner and I've used it for a long time and I really don't have any major complaints. But if you guys are looking for something that's simple and quieter and a little bit wider, then the Jimmy's also a good option. So anyways, with that being said, that's it for my full comparison between these two mattress vacuums.